Today we're going to look at two pistols. One is a revolver. The other one is a mag loader or auto loader. We're going to be looking at the M&P 22 Magnum 30+1. And we're also going to be looking at Heritage Riff Rider 9-shot. And it can shoot 22 Magnum or 22 long rifle or pretty much any rimmed 22. So that'll be exciting. We're going to look at can you still get good penetration, good energy with a pistol 22 Magnum, or do you have to use a rifle when it comes to 22 Magnum? We'll find that out